Now I suppose this is what you call a little bit arse about face, but what you're really looking for from your XTRONs is when you turn your power on, your radio's working or something else is working, but you can't get to anything else, right? So you want to pin lock the screen. Now I tried to find it as a standalone function on my unit, but I couldn't. So what you really want is you need to lift the screen up and put your pin number in. Which is what I've just done, and press go, and your unit works. Okay, now I discovered the way to do this is so. Okay, right, go to settings, some stage, right, okay, settings, okay, wireless and networks, more, VPN, okay, Virtual Private Network. Now what this needs is to enable you to set a virtual private network, the machine needs to be pin protected. Okay, so if you go through your settings and just put some baloney in as a VPN, what will actually happen, and I think I've got my, there we go, so there's no always on VPN. Just go through this, put some nonsense in, alright? And just go, okay, put some garbage in there. You'll have to put something in, otherwise it won't let you do it, and then you'll never need to see that again. Alright, so what will then happen is the pin lock on the screen will boot up every time you start the machine, okay, because it thinks you want to use a VPN, but you're not using a VPN, but it's going to give you your pin lock on the screen, and that's really a complicated end to a simple sort of solution. So now if you wind back to the start of this video, you'll see what you'll get as a result of that. Appreciate feedback, sorry I'm rambling, but it took me a while to find it, so no sense in rushing the solution, is there really? Okay, and back to normal, I think. What have we got? Loads of stuff. Let's have a bit of radio on that point. Thank you.